Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to share your Outlook calendar with other people and send calendar invites in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to outlook.cloud.microsoft. This will take you to the Microsoft Outlook web app where you can access all your email and calendar features online. Once the page loads and your email inbox appears, you're ready to move forward with sharing your calendar. Now, to begin the process of sharing your Outlook calendar and sending invites, direct your attention to the top left part of your screen. You'll notice several icons displayed in this area, each representing different sections of Outlook. Look for the calendar icon among these options and click on it. This will immediately take you to your calendar view where you can manage all your appointments, events, and sharing settings. Once your calendar menu opens up, shift your focus to the bottom left corner of your screen. This is where Outlook displays a list of all your active calendars. You might have multiple calendars set up for different purposes, such as work, personal, or shared team calendars. Take a moment to locate the specific calendar you want to share and send an invite for. Once you've found it, hover your cursor over that calendar name. As you do this, a three-dot icon will appear next to the calendar. Go ahead and click on those three dots, and a small context menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, look for the option labeled Sharing and Permissions and click on it. This is the key feature that allows you to control who can view or edit your calendar. After clicking on Sharing and Permissions, a new window dedicated to calendar sharing and permissions will appear on your screen. This window is designed specifically for managing access to your calendar. You'll immediately notice a prominent field at the top where you can add the email address of the person you want to invite. This field is where you'll type in the contact information of anyone you wish to share your calendar with. Go ahead and enter their email address in this field. As you type, Outlook may suggest contacts from your address book to make the process faster. Once you've entered the correct email address, you'll notice that the Share button becomes active and ready to click. Simply click the Share button and Outlook will immediately send a calendar invitation to that person. They'll receive an email notification with access to view or interact with your calendar based on the permissions you've set. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Outlook calendar and sent an invitation to another person. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.